Frosted Abbey makes an entrance here as my third Rhinestone doll project. She's a monster-high Abbey abominable with a more proportionately shrunken head. As with the others, she's been carefully carved out around the joints to maintain mobility. I used Warbler to sculpt her far more additive details than her predecessors, resulting in more crystals and more hours of work. Somewhere in the neighborhood of 19 or 20,000 crystals and over 144 hours were put into this girl. Her outfit is opal white with clear silver edging, with a few purple accents that match her eyes. Her hair is also opal white at the roots, fading out to shades of blue at the end of her ponytail. Her skin blends from light blue near the top down to darker blues at the end of her limbs, using several shades of blue for an ombre effect. If you're interested in doing something like this yourself, or in seeing the steps I went through to accomplish this, you can see my tutorial video in the link in the description, or you can see the other dolls in my other videos here. If you give it a try, please drop me a line and send me some pics, because I would love to see other people's work. I love talking with other artists and exchanging ideas and such. Anyway, a ta-ta for now.